Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to add video on Shopify homepage with Autoplay. First of all, open your Shopify dashboard. From the left menu, go to Online Store, and from the right side, then click on Customize to open the theme editor. Once you are inside the theme editor, look at the left side under the Template section. Here, click on Add section. A list of different sections will appear on the screen. Scroll through the list or use Searcher to find the video section and click on it to add it to your homepage. Now, click on the newly added video section to open its settings. On the right side, you will see an option to select your video source. If you go with Uploaded option, then click on Select from the bottom and a new tab will open. Here, click on Upload and choose a video from your computer. Once uploaded, the video will appear on your page. If you prefer using an external link, select the external option and paste your video URL into the field provided. After adding your video, you can see it displayed directly on your homepage preview. Now, to enable autoplay, under the link field, you will see the autoplay option. Simply toggle it on and your video will start playing automatically. Once everything looks good, click Save, and that's it. This is how you can easily add a video to your Shopify homepage with autoplay enabled. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.